Hey everyone, welcome back to... Today let's talk about something futuristic, generative design. Imagine this. Instead of manually designing a product, what if AI could generate the best designs for you? Sounds cool, right? That's exactly what generative design does. Generative design is an AI-powered approach where you just define the goals and constraints, and the software creates multiple optimized solutions automatically. Think of it as giving a computer a problem to solve and it comes up with thousands of creative ideas. Alright, so let's dive into how generative design actually works. First off, you start with the input requirements. You tell the AI what you need: size, weight, materials, cost, and so on. Next, the AI gets to work. The software explores millions of possibilities and refines them. And finally, you get to select the best one. You choose the most efficient, lightweight, or cost-effective design. Pretty amazing, right? In automobiles, it helps make cars lighter and stronger. In architecture, it optimizes buildings for stability and sustainability. And in aerospace, it reduces fuel consumption by designing lightweight parts. Faster innovation, less material waste, and super optimized designs. Generative design is changing industries by blending AI and creativity. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.